Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May I introduce myself? My name is Nopita Anggraini. I will here explain a little about present continuous tense. Do you know what a present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is tense that is done to express the action taken in the present. I will explain the present continuous tense sentence function. This arrangement is the present continuous tense subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object and plus time signal. The first function is to talk about an action that is happening now. Time expression that can be used among others now and the moment, right now, and over the holidays. The second is to discuss a plan or move to a place or condition. Time information can be used include on Sunday at 9 o'clock on Sunday, next week or next month, this month. The third is to express resentment over the action that occur repeatedly.
I will continue to explain about present continuous tense. First, present continuous tense is a way to convey action or condition that is when it happening now or often or maybe in progress. The present continuous tense formula is formed from present tense, which one is verb, to be, and present participle. The present participle is verb plus ing. I think my friend has explained about how to make positive sentence from present continuous tense. So now I will continue to explain about how to make negative sentence from present continuous tense. To make sentence of negative from present continuous tense, we must add the word not. Whatever the tense, the word not, which means no or not, is the main characteristic of negative.
Hai guys! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reza Nurhasana, but you can call me Nui. I am from class 2F PGSD, group 3. Nah, at this one, I want to teach you or I want to tell you about present continuous tense. Nah, let's go! Rumus dari present continuous tense yaitu yang pertama, pasti harus ada subjek. Subjek itu apa? Subjek itu kata ganti atau orang. Kayak I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Nah, kalau objek itu apa? Objek itu kata benda sesudah verb atau kata kerja. Jadi verb itu apa? Verb itu kata kerja. Oke, sampai sini. Lanjut. Langsung aja ya ke rumusnya. Rumus dari present continuous tense yaitu subjek ditambah to be. To be itu ada 3 macam. Ingat aja kata kuncinya Aramis. Are, am, is. Are itu buat apa sih? To be are itu untuk subjek yang jamak atau lebih dari satu orang. Contohnya apa? Contohnya you, lalu they, lalu we. Mantap. Lalu lanjut. M. Subjeknya itu apa? M itu pasti lanjutan subjek dari I. I am titik-titik. Nah, seperti itu. Kalau is itu to be dari subjek he, she, it, nama orang, tapi harus tuh gagal sama orangnya. Mrs. Novi, subjeknya. Coba objeknya, sebelum itu kan to be-nya berarti to be-nya apa? Nah, berarti kalau Mrs. Novi, to be-nya is. Lalu ke verb. Kata kerjanya misalkan cooking. Verbnya kata kerjanya cook, tapi pakai ing. Oh iya, lupa tadi rumusnya. Verb pakai ing. Jadi rumusnya subjek tambah to be tambah verb ing tambah objek. Jadi Mrs. Novi is, kan tadi verbnya cook, berarti tambah ing jadi cooking. Cooking apa? Misalkan cooking cooking fish. Nah, lalu interrogatifnya kayak gimana? Rumus dari interrogatif itu kayak gini. To be tambah subjek tambah verb ing plus objek. Ini buat interrogatif. Jadi kalimatnya yaitu, kan to be-nya is nih. Jadi is subjeknya, is Mrs. Novi cooking fish? Tanda tanya. Seperti itu, guys. Sampai di sini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, see you.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ihsanur Rahman and my ID student number is 1905933. Okay, in this time I will explain about the example of the present continuous tense. As we know that the present continuous tense consists of subject plus to be plus verb ing and plus adverb of time. Okay, let's write it. Subject plus to be plus verb ing and adverb of time. Okay. Yes. From this formula, we can make the sentences. For example, I am reading a book. At the moment. Wow. I is a subject and M is to be, and reading is verb in. Okay, reading verb in. And book is the object, and at the moment is adverb of time. So the present continuous tense explain about the event that are happening now, judging from the example sentence.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss. Introduce myself. My name is D. Saiful Anwar from Group 3, Class 2 EVGSD, UPI Kampus Cibiru. More details you can see on this sideboard. Here, I will give some examples of sentences that are included in the present continuous tense. We start with the first example. The pond is vibrating and playing music now. He is reading a book right now. They are playing at the moment.
Okay, next I will explain what I draw. Sorry if the picture is not too good because I'm not very good at drawing. Why I did draw this? Because it's one of the most important activities carried out in the room that is sleeping. People like to sleep the most because it's one of our needs as humans. Why I give red, black, and green color this? Because I don't have any others color, so I just use what I have. Okay, here's an example of a sentences that I made. Rara is sleeping in the room while hanging a door. Okay, thank you.
In our room, we can do many things. Besides sleeping, we can do study or reading the book or watching movie or each other. We can do anything or all activities in the room. Because after we do anything or all activities in the room, our room must have been dirty. So, the first, in addition to study or sleeping, we should clean up the room. Example, to clean up the room, we can sweep the floor or move the floor. And I will give a picture from sweep the floor. So, besides sleeping or study or reading the book or watching movie, we must also to clean up the room so that our room will clean and comfortable in carrying out various activities.
At this stage, I want to tell you about this drawing. Nah, aku udah ngegambar sesuatu atau suatu activity yang bisa kalian lakukan di kamar tidur kalian. Nah, jadi di sini aku ngegambar the girl yang lagi studying. She is studying at her bedroom. Otomatis seperti yang aku lakukan saat ini. Nah, di gambar ini dia itu lagi belajar dengan laptopnya dan dengan buku-bukunya. Di kamar ini memiliki jendela dan lukisan seperti itu. Nah, kalau di dalam bahasa Inggris, kalimat sentence dari present continuous tense ingat kayak yang tadi, yaitu subject tambah to be tambah verb ing tambah object. Jadi, kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, this girl or she is studying English subject on her bedroom. Nah, seperti itu guys.
Okay, because my group caused a time situation in the bedroom, I choose situation in the bedroom. For example, the boys are reading book. It is picture. Okay, for example relating to present continuous tense. For example, he is reading book right now. For positive sentences. For positive sentences. And for negative sentences, he is not reading newspaper right now. And for interrogative sentences, is he reading a book right now? Okay, that is all I can explain from this picture. And the last, sorry for my poor explanation, and thank you ma'am for your learning, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Meet me again, Mom. Here I will explain a little about the image that I made. Okay, this is the picture that I made. It seems less clear, huh? I think we make it to the screen and just zoom in. Okay, great. Here I explain one of the activities that can be done in a bedroom, that is listening to music. Because my group got a material about present continuous tense, then the sentence we can make for this picture are 1. She is listening to music at right now. Okay, this is for positive sentences. 2. She is not listening to music at right now. And this is for negative sentences. 3. Is he listening to music at right now? Finally, we turn it into an interrogative sentences. For the formula to make sentences for present continuous tense, you can see
In this material about present continuous tense that needs to be considered that the sentence we make must be from an activity that is being carried out at this time or is still being done. In this picture, we can use the word at the moment, right now, still to describe time as an imperfect that activity or is still being carried out at this time. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
What they gon' do?